Today we're going to be looking at the GoPro Hero 12 Max Lens mod. This is an extra wide-angle lens for the GoPro Hero 12, and we're going to unbox it, we're going to look at it, and then I'm going to show you how to change your lens out on your GoPro. Okay, here it is before we put the new lens on. Okay, and it says to turn it either way, 1/4 turn, and it should come off. It is really hard to turn, but there we go. And it just feels like it's screwing off. There. Okay, here is the old lens. And here is the new lens. Okay, so we'll put this on, line it up, there, there. Make sure it's sitting flat. Everywhere looks good, and then twist. It's very hard to get on and off. Okay, and here is the new adapter. Wow, pretty big difference. Here is the GoPro without the lens mod adapter. Okay, and here is the GoPro with the lens mod adapter. So I'll put the old one back so I'm not losing anything. It's got a nice hard case. It doesn't fit with this one. And it looks like this case serves as a cover. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so that's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day. I will see you next week.